Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your BBSI Payrolls account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your BBSI Payrolls account, firstly, go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in www.bbsi.com and make a search. The official page of BBSI Payrolls account will appear on the screen. Click on My BBSI at the top right side of the page. On the next page, enter your email address and password associated with your BBSI Payrolls account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Reset My Password option. This is how you can log into your BBSI Payrolls account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.